Sam Care here. Today we're gonna go ahead and show you how to trim a tree the right way. Alright folks, the other day we had a lot of wind blowing around in our neighborhood. Looks like it pulled down this tree here. Just wind took it and just, that's it. Look at, you see that too? Get a shot of that. That's wild. Two options that you can do is that you can either ask your son to take care of it for you, or you can call a company. They went ahead and asked me to take care of this. So I'm gonna take care of this for my papa, I'm gonna take care of it for my mama, and you're gonna be able to learn exactly how I'm gonna tackle a beast like this. Now we are gonna have a company come out here and take care of this. This is something that I can take care of with my 20-inch Stihl MS 291. I've used this for about 2 weeks and I love it. I love every second of it. So let's go ahead, we're gonna get on it. Before we do get started, there is something here that's very important, is that you're gonna need safety protection. I've got these glasses right here. I've got these earplugs right here. And then the last thing is that you're probably gonna need is some kind of leg protection. Leg protection. All right folks, so what I'm doing here is I'm starting at the base of it. You got this real long here, thick part. And so what you're gonna do is you're gonna start here at the base, because it'd be stupid. It would be dumb as it'd be dumb as a donkey if we were to start at the tip and then work our way back to the stem. One, it's because it would not be safe. And then number two is that it'd just be dumb as a donkey.
Sam was right whenever he was talking about don't be dumb as a donkey, but in this occasion here is that he is being dumber than a donkey. It's actually simpler to cut from the tip and back. So suppose you actually do cut it close to the tree like Sam does here. He's going to tell you what to do next.
Alright, next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and pull one of those big old limbs out to a safe space where we can cut it up into smaller pieces. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take them smaller pieces. It's gonna be about, I'd say, about 2 feet. We're gonna take them 2 feeters, stack them up to the sides so somebody can have some firewood for later. Alright folks, so that's pretty much it. I think I'm gonna make some kind of safety video so that you don't hurt yourself, but I guess the last little tip would maybe be this deal right here, is that you want to kind of butt that up against, you know, whatever you're cutting. So, you know, that's important, but other than that, you should be able to intuitively cut down any tree. Be sure to subscribe and comment and like below.